Iawn?
Heddiw roedd Robert Buckland, Ysgrifennydd Gwladol Cymru ar y maes. Fel aelod seneddol sy'n cynrychioli rhanbarth yn Lloegr, pam mai fe sydd wedi ei benodi i'r swydd? A beth yw ei weledigaeth i ddyfodol perthynas Cymru a'r Deyrnas Unedig?
Well, diolch yn fawr iawn. It's a great pleasure to be back at the mice. The Welsh language has been part of my life, part of our lives for generations. And now here we are with a bold target to reach 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050, which is something the UK government thoroughly supports.
If it is so important to you and your party, then why do you feel that you, as an MP for Swindon South, has been appointed as Secretary of State for Wales?
Well, I think that representing the UK government, being a proud Welshman representing a seat outside Wales, is the epitome of what it is to actually be proud to be Welsh. You know, you can be Welsh, you can be British, you can be European, you can be whatever identity you choose to be, but be proud of where you've come from. I felt very much like a round peg in a round hole when I accepted this important office.
Going forward, how will you ensure a better relationship between the next Conservative Party leader and Senedd Cymru?
Well, look, I think on a personal level, the current Prime Minister and the First Minister actually got on well. I think there were some issues about the mechanisms that were used for ministers to talk to each other. What is important to me is early communication. So if there's an issue coming down the line, we need to be speaking to ministers in the Welsh Government at an early stage and vice versa.
And finally, following last night's success, will you be in Cardiff on the 6th of September for the big game?
Well, the 6th of September is another big date because it's when the new Prime Minister is appointed. So I can't yet commit to precisely where I'm going to be. I'll be doing my bit to cheer everybody with a Ddraig Goch on.